Hi guys, I'm here today to show all of the fun things I found today at a secondhand craft store. It's called Crafting for Good. It's in North Chi-Li, New York, right outside of Rochester. So if you're in the area, definitely go check it out. I got all of this stuff for literally $20, and once you see what I got for that price, you're gonna be amazed. Obviously, starting on top here, we have these chipboard butterflies. Anything with a blue sticker was 50 cents. And then this cute little scrapbook set of stickers for a bride. I got this cool die, a Spellbinders die, for originally $20 at Hobby Lobby. I got it for $5.50. This is another set of chipboard pieces, little arrows with silver accents on it. Again, blue stickers, 50 cents. I got another die set, which is this cute little ice cream one. I do already have an ice cream die, but it's not this big. So I thought for $5, I couldn't pass it up. I had to get this. And then I got the little groom set to go with the bride. These are really cool. I think they'd be a fun DIY. You could definitely make these yourself, but for 50 cents, I picked them up. So cute. And then I got these cute little clear acetate banner pieces. And then a bunch of Bella Boulevard embellishment ephemera packs. I'm trying to see if there's any more. So I guess I got 3 of the Bella Boulevard ones, 2 Halloween ones. Like, look how cute they are. Again, 50 cents. Like, what the heck? These are originally like $7 I saw on Google. And then there's the other Halloween one. These are like so old school. If this sticker doesn't work, I'll just have to like glue them down. But 50 cents, I thought they were so much fun. I had to have them. And then my sister picked these out. The pink sticker was only 25 cents, so that's pretty cool. And then this is like a different ephemera pack from Pink Paisley. It looks like there's a mix of kind of vellum ephemera, or not ephemera, acetate and like regular cardstock embellishments in here, so that's pretty cool. There's 74 pieces in here for 50 cents. I mean, I didn't even pay a penny per piece. That's amazing. And then I got this one from Fancy Pants. Actually, I've never heard of that brand, but they're super cute. And then the yellow was $1, so these were a little more expensive, but I mean, come on. They're little mirrored sticker pieces, banner pieces, I guess. Super cute. And then these are cool. I've never seen these. They're from Pink Paisley, and they're white stickers. And then I'm thinking they have like a paper field at the top. They definitely look that way. So then you can add your own color to them with like your stamps and inks and things. So that's pretty cute. I'll probably just end up leaving them white, but it's a fun idea. And then I got, last thing was this scrapbook paper pack, 15 sheets of this pastel textured paper. I just like the texture on it. I thought that was pretty cool, and it was only $1. So if you're in the Rochester area, definitely check out Crafting for Good. It was a really fun place to shop. They had a bunch of fabric, knitting supplies. They had boxes for like $20 just full of stuff. I mean, one had like a hot glue gun, a battery operated hot glue gun in it. So like, everything was really reasonably priced. I didn't see anything that was like, oh, that's too much money, I wouldn't pay that. I just simply didn't need the stuff that I wasn't picking up. They had a bunch of scrapbook paper, which was really fun. I cannot wait to go back. I found so many cool things, and right now, this is beginning of February 2021. I don't know when you'll be seeing this video, or not 2021, 2022, sorry. But right now they're running a $1 yard fabric deal, and that's until their fabric stash is kind of gone from their back room. So that's pretty fun. I'm assuming they'll do deals like that all the time, depending on what their inventory looks like. But as you can see, I mean, they did not have an abundance. They had abundance of things to shop from in the scrapbooking world, but obviously not enough to be covering their whole floor like the fabric. And things were still an amazing price is what I'm trying to say. So definitely go check them out if you can. And if you want more information on it, like the address and things, you can head over to my blog and get all the information and more. So I will see you guys in the next video where hopefully we'll be using some of this stuff. Have a good day. Bye.